Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the recovery options tied to your Microsoft Xbox account. Enter the email or phone you used. If you don't remember, try your gamer tag to jog memory. Once done, choose Forgot Password and request a security code to that contact method. Make sure to check spam and alternate inboxes. Sometimes codes land there. Use a private network and pause VPNs so Microsoft recognizes the device. This first step proves ownership and starts the official reset process. You now verify identity with the security code Microsoft sent. Type it carefully because multiple failures can lock attempts temporarily. After verification, create a strong new password, long, unique, and not reused. Once you reset, enable multi-factor authentication to prevent repeat issues. Set up the Authenticator app or SMS. Make sure recovery email and phone are current so future resets are faster. If billing information is present, confirm recent charges to further validate and restore full access to services. You finish by signing into your Xbox on console and web to confirm purchases and multiplayer access. Relink any devices and update saved passwords in the Xbox app and Microsoft account settings. Once everything works, review security settings and consider an authenticator for peace of mind. If you still can't access the account, use Microsoft's account recovery form and include exact error codes and previous passwords. This helps support verify you. Troubleshooting tip: clear cache or try a different device before repeating recovery steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.